Hello everyone. Today we start our next topic, that is unit number 4, and the name of the unit number 4 is windowing and clipping. So here this one is our type of the this is the point of our unit number 4. The first point is the windowing and clipping concept, window to viewport transformation. The second one is the line clipping, and here in the line clipping there are few algorithms. That is, first one is the Cohen-Sutherland clipping algorithm, Kreutzbach, Lange-Barsky, and then midpoint subdivision algorithm. This one is the point 1 and this one is the point 2, that is line clipping. Okay, then third point is the polygon clipping. Then here also one algorithm, that is Sutherland Hodgeman algorithm, and the fourth one is the text clipping. Okay, so what is meant by the windowing and clipping? So windowing is nothing but it is a method of selecting and enlarging the portion of an object is called windowing, and the clipping. So the clipping is nothing but it is determine which portion to remove or suppress is called as a clipping. Here, after the end of the topic, we will able to get some unit outcomes, and here is the first unit outcome is apply window to viewport transformation on the given object. B. Write a program using the given line clipping algorithms. So we will able to write a program by using a clipping algorithm. Then third one, that is C. Apply the given line clipping algorithms to clip the line. We will clip the line. Okay, that is we will remove the portion that is not invisible or not interested portion is clipped. Okay, then fourth one is the apply the text clipping on the given text. Then fifth one is, that is E, write a program using the given polygon clipping algorithms. Then here there are these 5 unit outcomes, and then the weightage of the topic is 14 marks, that is 14 marks, and the 10 hour is required. Okay, so here in a fourth topic, that is windowing and clipping, this one, the 4 is our point and this 5 is our unit outcomes. Okay, so let's continue our topic, that is windowing and clipping. So let us continue our today's topic, that is unit number 4, and the name of unit number 4 is windowing and clipping. Okay, so here windowing and clipping concepts. So windowing and clipping means it is the process of selecting and viewing the picture with different views is called windowing, and a process which divides each element of the picture into its visible and the invisible portion. Okay, suppose some complex drawing or maps are drawn on computer, say the roadmap of Maharashtra state. Okay, and we want to read the roadmap for Pune city. Then it will be very difficult to read the map. Okay, so in that case it will be useful to display only that part of the drawing in which we are interested. So the interested part is only visible and the not interested part is invisible portion. Okay, so this invisible portion allowing this invisible portion is to be discarded, and this process is nothing but the clipping. Okay, so the discarded portion is nothing but the clipping. Or there are another definition, that is windowing clipping, that is the method of selecting and enlarging the portion of object is called windowing, and clipping is nothing but determining which portion to remove or suppress is called clipping. So first of all, windowing means it is a method, it is one of the method of selecting and enlarging the portion of a object. Okay, so suppose there are one window, and in that window we see the outside pictures. Okay, we will only see the outside picture that is visible to our window size. Okay, so this is nothing but the windowing, and clipping is nothing but there is this allowing the invisible portion to be discarded. So which portion is invisible portion is selected and this portion is discarded, that is removed this portion. Okay, then windowing to viewport transformation. The picture is stored in computer memory using any convenient Cartesian coordinate system referred to as a world coordinate system. Okay, and second, when picture is displayed on the display device, it is measured in physical device coordinate system corresponding to the display device. Therefore, displaying an image of a picture involves mapping the coordinate of the point and lines that forms the picture into the appropriate physical device coordinate where the image is to be displayed. And this mapping of the coordinate is achieved with the use of the coordinate transformation known as the viewing transformation. So in the window to viewing transformation, first of all WCS means this is the world coordinate system. Here this one is our world coordinate system. Okay, this is x min and x max, y min and y max. Okay, and this one our world coordinate means whole picture, and this one our device coordinate, that is only the visible part. Okay, only the interested part is to be clipped and display on our display device, and this is nothing but the device coordinate. So the world coordinate is nothing but WCS, and WCS when and the PDCS means physical device coordinate system, that is the image to be displayed on our display device is nothing but the PDCS, that is physical device coordinate system. Then, therefore, the displaying an image of a picture involves mapping the coordinate of the point lines that form the picture into the appropriate physical device coordinate where the image is to be displayed. Means here, for whichever the image is interested part or the visible portion that is displayed on the display device. Okay, and that image is to be displayed on our display device, and this picture involves the mapping the coordinate of the point that is x min x max, okay, y min y max, this our coordinate systems, and that coordinate, by using this coordinate we will display our interested or visible portion of the picture into a display device. Okay, this mapping of the coordinate is achieved with the use of the coordinate transformation known as the viewing transformation. Then here the viewing transformation which maps picture coordinates in the WCS to display the coordinate in PDCS. So we transferred our picture coordinate, that is WCS, to a display coordinate in a PDCS is performed by following transformation. That is, first one is that is A, converting world coordinate to viewing coordinate. Then B, normalizing viewing coordinates, and C, converting normalizing viewing coordinate to the device coordinate. Here the world coordinate system, that is WCS, is infinite in extent. Okay, this world coordinate system is infinite, that is no limit. Okay, and the display device, that is device display area, is finite, that is in limit. Okay, so in short, world coordinate system is infinite and the device display, the area is a finite. Okay, then to perform viewing transformation, we select a finite world coordinate area for displaying is called as window, and area on a device to which a window is mapped is called as viewport. Here, to perform viewing transformation, we select a finite world coordinate system for displaying is called window. So whichever part is to be displayed on our screen is a finite world coordinate area, and this area is selected, and this selected part of area is displayed, is called as window, and area on a device to which a window is mapped is called as viewport. Okay, so here is the image of the two-dimensional viewing transformation pipeline. It is a process of displaying, it is a process of original picture, that is world coordinate system into the display coordinate system. Okay, so here the first one is the construct world coordinate scene using modeling coordinate transformation. Here is the original image, that is we have to extend in a infinite ways and infinite times. Okay, then this next goes to the convert the world coordinate to the viewing coordinate, that is whichever part is viewed, this part is selected. Okay, then after that the transform viewing coordinate to the normalized coordinate, and this goes to the map normalized coordinate to the device coordinate. Okay, this normalized coordinate goes to the here, and this normalized coordinate is mapped, and it is normalized coordinate, that is picture is to be displayed on our device. Okay, that is picture is displayed to our screen. Then the window defines what is to be viewed, and the viewport defines where is to be displayed, as shown in following figure. That is, here is the world coordinate and here is the device coordinate. The figure name is a viewing transformation using standard rectangle for the window and viewport. Here the world coordinate, that is x mean, x max, y mean, y max. Okay, and this is our window. We select which part is to be visible in our screen. Okay, and this part is selected. Here is the original picture, that is world coordinate picture, and this is a extended picture. Okay, then after selection of this window, the device coordinate, the work of this device coordinate, that is a viewport, that is the clip only visible area, that is clip only visible area and display to our screen, that this is nothing but the viewport. Okay, and clipping is nothing but this invisible part, remove this invisible part, that is discarded this invisible part, this is nothing but the clipping, and only the display visible part to our screen, that is nothing but the viewport. Then here in the window and viewport transformation, the window defines what is to be viewed, means here is the window is defined what is to be viewed, and clipping means what to remove. Clipping means which part is to be removed, that part is nothing but the clipping. Window means which part is to be displayed, and viewing means, that is viewport defines where is to be displayed on the display device. Viewport means where this picture is displayed on our screen is nothing but the viewport. Okay, so once again, window defines what is to be viewed, clipping means what to remove, and viewport defines where is to be displayed on display device. Okay, so in general, the mapping of a part of world coordinate scene to device coordinate is referred as viewing transformation or windowing transformation or window to viewport transformation. So once again, in general, the mapping of a part of world coordinate scene to the device coordinate is referred to as a viewing transformation, windowing transformation or window to viewport transformation. Then, thank you so much. If any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.